The Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of 17 global goals. The goals were made to help create a better and more sustainable world. The goals were written in 2015 by the United Nations. Because they are global goals, people in all countries must work together to achieve them. These days, the Sustainable Development Goals are taught in schools. Children are asked to think about the goals and what they, their families, their communities, and their leaders can do to achieve them. How can we know if the goals are being achieved? This is difficult but very important. There is a website called SDG Tracker. It started in 2018, and it shows information about the Sustainable Development Goals in a way that is easy to understand. Many experts believe that the goals are the most important tool we have to help people and the planet.